Alright, feel better already. Good night's sleep. Nice stop at a bakery. Chatted with a fellow cyclist. Coffee, cinnamon bun, and beautiful day. So I'm excited for today, crossing into New York State. I should have slept here last night. That's the problem. You get in the habit of finding all the baseball fields, and that's just what you automatically go to. I could have come through town. I would have found this place, a little park over here. That would have been a nice spot to spend the night. Nobody would have kicked me out. Chimney Point. This is the bridge into New York State. I'm in the library now. I'm gonna get kicked out in about 5 minutes. The library's closing down. Oh, Jesus. Unbelievable. Oh my god, that was fucking wild. That was wild. Holy shit. That was one of the craziest fucking storms I've ever been out in. I think I was out in it for all of 45 seconds, completely drenched. Pelted with hail. This shit's still going on too. There was the town alarm went off. A huge siren was just going off throughout town. It's like an air raid siren or something. Like we're getting bombed. Alright, it's getting late. I'm still in Ticonderoga. It just poured rain for about 7 hours solid, so I didn't really get anywhere. I just hid out from the rain, tried to stay dry. But I found this pavilion. This is right behind a bar, and so I'm just trying to stay quiet back here. I didn't check to see if it was okay or not, so I'm just gonna go for it. This is kind of there's a bar here, and cooking up some food. I got some pasta I just cooked, beans, greens, cherry tomatoes, Italian dressing. Gonna make a little pasta salad. Mosquitoes are coming out now.